Hey guys, so if y'all are moving into a brand new home and you just need a basic checklist of the things that you need to put in this home, this is a perfect checklist for you to know what you've bought, what you need to purchase, and all the things that need to go in every room. So I've got this all organized on the spreadsheet by room. So we've got kitchen, dining, pantry, cookware, because cookware just needs its own section. I've got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an entryway, a laundry room, outdoors, and then some notes and a shopping list. So basically everything is super customizable. So if you wanted to just delete this out and put something totally different, if you didn't like what I have, then just feel free to come up with another idea. So you just type in everything here, check it off when you're done. You can print this out. This would be super handy if you wanted to just print this out and put into a binder. The spreadsheet is part of like a larger spreadsheet bundle that I have. It's an ultimate moving planner. So you could print all of these sheets out, put it in a binder, and then just check it off when you're done. This would be perfect for like if you owned like an Airbnb, if you own some or other management business where you were helping to set up new homes or apartments. Any of these things would be perfect. So to print it out, you would just go to File, Print, and then just make sure that you have it to say fit to width, because if you did normal, it would just be a little off. So do fit to width. This is the landscape, but if you did portrait, it's all going to be on one page. So it'd be super easy to use. You can uncheck all of the boxes. If you wanted to delete everything out in Scratch, if you wanted to just write it all, you could. So that's basically how it works. This other tab for README is going to have the link to the YouTube video when you're done. So when I'm done making the video, the link will be here. So anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks, guys. And